Right, here we go, here's the engine. Inside the filler cap. Oil. Pretty clean. Exhaust nice and cold, so I can prove it starts alright when it's cold. Ready, Lou? You can get closer to that pulley down there. You see there's absolutely no wobble on that pulley at all.